By using our Import Student Work feature, you can get AI feedback on any piece of writing or use our library of sample student writing to see how AI suggested comments and scores will look before students begin their Writable journey. Let's start by exploring AI feedback by previewing sample student writing in Writable. You can choose a class of sample student writing based on grade band. Sample student writing differs by proficiency level to show you how Writable can support all students. Now that we've copied student writing samples to our account, let's see how AI has generated suggested comments and scores. First, we're going to explore the assignment dashboard. From here, we can get insights into classwork. We can access practice assignment recommendations based on skill proficiency. We can start grading by individual student, or look at the grade and guide screen, where you can view all student work live on one screen. From the grade and guide screen, you can see that AI has generated a draft score and a suggested overall paper level comment. These scores can be accepted or adjusted by the teacher by reviewing the submission, or you can edit the comments before sending them off to the students. From here, let's look at an individual student paper. In the upper right hand of your screen, you'll notice authorship alerts and originality checking from Turnitin. Authorship alerts are only available on writing done within Writable, and they show you insights on student writing behavior such as copied and pasted text, abnormal revision histories, and more. Originality check from Turnitin includes their SimCheck features as well as their AI writing indicator to help detect AI-generated pieces of writing. You can see that this piece of sample student writing does have a 100% AI-generated score. Finally, you're going to notice that Writable has suggested scores and suggested comments at the rubric level. If you want to remove or adjust a score, you can turn it off by clicking the light bulb. And of course, you can always edit or adjust the comments before submitting them to the student. Next, we're going to explore how you can get AI feedback on any past piece of student writing. For this instance, we're going to look at how you can import Google coursework into Writable and get those AI suggested comments and scores just like we saw on the sample student writing. First, I'm going to select a class. Now, I'm going to select a piece of coursework that I've done within my Google class. At this point, we can add a reading, a resource, copy and paste in a text, upload a PDF if we want to attach that to the assignment. For now, I'm going to skip that step. Here, we can edit or adjust the prompt that we wrote in our Google Classroom assignment. Finally, we're going to choose a rubric. This part's really important because this is how AI decides to score an assignment and give appropriate feedback. So you can search for a rubric based on language, you can look at it based on grade level, you can adjust it based on genre, you can even create your own rubric inside of Writable. So I'm just going to select an analytical essay rubric, attach it to the assignment. Finally, we're going to get some AI feedback on the prompt. So if we do want to adjust our prompt, we do have some suggestions for that inside Writable. And finally, we're going to finish up our assignment. Now that we've brought our Google Classroom coursework into Writable, we can view the assignment and we can look at those AI-generated draft scores and suggested comments, just like we saw on the sample student writing. So you can see on the grade and guide screen that you can see that draft score, you can see that AI-generated piece of comment, and you can also edit it if you'd like to before sending it directly to the student. Finally, I'm going to show you how you can use any document from your Word drive or from your local files and get AI feedback on that document. For instance, a Word document. So that's what we're going to do here. You can choose an existing class roster that you've already got in Writable to attach your document to, or you can choose a demo class if you don't have any classes yet. I'm going to choose a demo class today. Now I'm going to upload some local files. And finally, I'm going to create the assignment. I'm going to bring that prompt right into the assignment. Again, choose a rubric so that AI can generate the appropriate scores and comments. Finally, I can adjust that prompt with the AI feedback that Writable provides. And now I'm going to give my assignment a name and finish it. And we can go grab that AI generated feedback.